4 simple steps easy to use. Create news. All reporters create news here. Today news. All reporters created news saved here in this icon. Editor, pool, all editor, edit news of reporters here. And also move news to rundown. Rundown. All news rundown create and save here. Open rundown icon. Double-click rundown want to open. Let's start with the new rundown. Click to New button. Enter rundown name. Make sure you are typing in English. Save it. Now click Reload button. Your newly create rundown shown on the top. Open your new rundown. It's empty with no news. Now put some news in it. Go to Editor Pool. Select some news. Now select Rundown to move. Now click Move to Rundown. Now check the new rundown you make tutorial. Here are the news you moved from Editor Pool. Now order the news you want to play in order. Put each news under the chunk like headline under headline chunk. Like national news under national chunk. International news under international chunk. Business and economic news under business chunk. Sports news under sports chunk. If you have some special chunk, which is not shown in category, put it in special chunk. The order of all news shown same on prompter to read for news anchor for news bulletin. You can also reorder news during news bulletin and prompter will update edited news or news order. If you shuffle or reorder any news from here, prompter will show the same. Leave the extra chunk in the end. Now this is a time to make your rundown news on air. The on air show the current rundown is on air. Means prompter showing this rundown. Now on air your rundown. Click the checkbox to select the rundown. Now click the on air button. Now on air is showing your selected rundown. Prompter selected your rundown to play. You are ready for your bulletin to go live. There are more features are upgrading in new version of Spider News Networks. For more query, please contact Spider Administrator. Thank you for choosing Spider News Networks.